Okay, well, hey YouTube, how y'all doing? Okay, well, we might even get that let's play it sideways. At their rear front window hung today. I'm hoping. But I'm gonna show you. The reason I turned the camera on in here this morning is well, wonderful Desert Hot Springs. It's windier than shit. So I did get the sheet metal screwed down a little bit last night. We're gonna go down and see if it's still attached to the front of the RV. So bear with me. Back in a few minutes. It'll be a windy video. I'm sorry about that, but might be exciting at the same time. Alright, talk to you in a few. Okay, well, you guys are going to see it for the first time just like me. Sorry about my finger in the view. Try to get it out. There we go. Now, let's see what we got this morning. And hey, it's got metal on it. Sorry I can't zoom right now, my other hand's holding a letter. And yeah, she's just tacked up there so she wouldn't blow away. Yeah, I know it's a little crooked in the front, but like I said, it's just screwed in with a few screws on the bottom to hold it in place. Now let's go look inside and see how she's doing. Latch the door there. Okay, let's have a look. Sorry about the sun, you guys. Okay, well, as you can see, I put a header in there, and that'll tie the whole thing together. I guess my math is actually still alright. And yeah, I don't think it's going anywhere. The floor all attached. I was bouncing around all over this thing yesterday, tying that front end, and it didn't move at all. So I think it should be just fine. Alright, thanks for watching. Back shortly when I start to frame the windows in. I'll actually bring the tripod up and get some video of me actually working. Alright, thanks. Bye.